What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I kind of have some bad news here. My last video that I filmed, the memory card ended up going all corrupt on me. So this might be a little bit of a jump for you guys, and it might look a little different because, as you can see, the walls are on, the cabinets are stained, everything's attached to the trailer. Now I had everything recorded from pretty much putting the walls on, making sure everything was square, putting, like, everything is done. Like, I had all this done for you guys, and all of it was corrupted. It sucks because it was one of the biggest, probably the biggest moments of this build here, but whatever, things happen. Today we're gonna actually start planning the roof, I believe. We're starting the roof, right? Ceiling, yes. So not the roof, we're starting the inside ceiling. So it's the lower, I'll show you here.
The inside skin.
Yeah, so there's a lip here. We're gonna start with the ceiling. Once we get the ceiling done, we can start building the ribs. And then once we do the ribs, we can start wiring the trailer for lights and all that kind of stuff. I actually have the lights here. I got a nice little, I'll show you guys. I also got a roof vent here. I have a bunch of stuff on the way here. I got an exterior light that should be here today. Yeah, this is what our lights on the inside is gonna be. They're just little pop-in lights. Just go up, and you wire it all to this thing. I don't think we're gonna put it in this thing because I want to have lights turn on separately. So, but yeah. We're going to start the inside ceiling, and let's get to it. Okay, so we have run into a little bit of a minor issue, I guess I would say. The plywood really likes to bend this way, but we need it to bend the other way, and it's very sturdy. So we're gonna try laminating our two pieces together. So that piece over there, up there, with this one, we got a 2-inch strip that's gonna go over the seam, and then we're gonna drape it over the top of our roof, and then we're gonna throw a humidifier inside. And with a hand steamer, we're gonna try and get it wet enough or steamy enough, moist enough for it to bend. We're having an issue trying to bend it into shape here. Especially this bend right here. Really, really big bend, so. Laminated with a piece here. We let it dry overnight. Now I have it draped over the trailer with the humidifier on. That way it can get a little humid, and hopefully when we go to bend it down, it'll bend a lot easier than what it was doing yesterday. I can't remember if I told you guys, but when we were trying to bend it yesterday, it wasn't bending the right way. So I'm hoping that if we get it enough like moisture in it, that it might just slowly bend over. We got towels that we're gonna throw over top of it as well, wet towels. Hopefully that'll soak the wood a little bit and help it, excuse me, bend a little more. But yesterday we also did get our exterior light. I will show you that later. But we also got our windows. So our windows are gonna go, it's like a privacy glass window. Really cool, actually. I like it a lot. So this one goes on our door. So we're gonna have one window on this side with the handle, or maybe the other way, however you open a door. And then we're gonna have another one on that side like this, I think. So 2 windows. I might need to buy like shades that go over top of it. That way it's not super bright. So I thought it was gonna be a little darker than that, but that's okay. But yeah. While I let the humidity get up in here, we're at 45% here. I'm hoping we can get it to at least 70% because I think that's going to be really good for the area. It's going to be super humid, but it should help bend the wood a bit. While I wait for that to happen, I'm going to build some shelving, or not shelving. Hopefully this. I'm going to build some cabinet drawer. Kelsey and I went out and bought some hardware or handles for this drawer. So I'm going to make a drawer today while I wait for the humidity to come up. This is what the handle looks like. I'm letting Kelsey do all the picking of the handles and stuff, simply because I'm doing all the building. I want her to be involved as much as I can. She did help me with the staining. Help me with the staining, so I'm trying to get her into it as much as I can because it is our trailer, and yeah. Okay, so this cabinet drawer goes a little something like this. Okay, so I have the frame built now. I'm gonna build the bottom, and then I should be able to attach the face. This is not too bad. So this is gonna go here. This. Okay, so we have, like I showed earlier, we have the humidifier going in here. We just slapped some wet towels on here to help it bend a little bit more. Absorb some. Hopefully the wood will absorb some liquid and make it a little bit more bendable. It's looking pretty good already. So we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Then we're gonna transfer everything over to this side, because this side's gonna be, I think, the biggest bend. It bends quite a bit already, but it's cracking a little bit when we give it a little bit of pressure. We don't want that, so we're gonna let it humidify a little bit more. It's what's it in here? 49%.
Start it up.
I'd like to order tacos, please.
Yeah, it looks like a
Food truck.
food truck from the back here.
Teardrop tacos.
It's like a little roof. Okay, we have successfully put on the inside ceiling. It was a struggle and a half. I had to move the camera at some point. I think it'll be in the time lapse here just so we could make sure we're getting everything proper. But we got it. It was a struggle and a half, but we managed to do it no problem. We do have a little bit of gapping on the inside here. As you can see, there's a gap in between there. We kind of probably messed up on our cuts on the inside, but that's nothing we can't fix later with some finishing trim. So what do you think of that process, Dad?
Finishing cack.
Yeah, cack. How with the roof? How is that?
This is yeah. This is quite the chore.
But
It's done.
yeah.
Done.
Yeah. So next up is we're gonna start making a skeleton for everything. They call it ribs. That way it adds a little bit of structure and structural integrity on the roof. And then we can start wiring, insulating, and then we put the outer skin on and make sure we cut holes for our nice ceiling vent. And then we can start putting in lights, all that kind of stuff. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a lot of fun to do, and I'm getting quite excited because we're getting super close to being close to done, or at least being able to just take it out on the road and show it off a little bit. But I'm hoping to get a camping trip out, or my first camping trip for the end of May there. So try and do it for my birthday week, and yeah. So we got another month to get it all done. I think it's very achievable. So hopefully you guys have been hanging out and watching the process, because it's been a lot of fun, and it's been a lot of experience or learning for us. So yeah. That being said, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one.